Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video and today I'm here to share my card for hashtag Deck the Year 2025 hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creation. I'll have her link down below so you can go check her out, and then the hashtag will be in my title so then you can check out everybody's creations that are participating in this open collaboration. Today I altered a playing card and I used a paper pad that I've had in my stash forever. It's Moments and Memories by Alicia Gordon, and it's from Cartabella. It's an old 12 by 12 paper pad. It has stickers. I don't know if I have this one. That sticker pack. Huh. I don't think I do. Anyway, cut aparts. These are other strips. This is a strip that I cut down, but I don't think I have all these papers anymore. So anyway, that's the paper pad I used. I found a bag of snippets and all those words from the paper. And then I also found that I have some little clusters to add to different. I think I was supposed to make this mini album, and I never finished it. Look at that one. It's a butterfly and a big heart. And, it saddens me that, I had that paper pad and, there's another cluster. I guess I was trying my hand on making them, and they're okay. I don't know. There's another one. Oh, upside down. They're okay. I don't know. I was trying. I have all the other pieces. Oh, here's another cluster. So yeah, I should keep them out so I can use them. Oh, here's another one. So they're real cute. I have a whole bunch of other pieces. I can make more clusters and yeah, and the little strips. So this is week 33 in the Deck the Year. Wow, 33. We only have, what is it, 19 more to go? Yeah, 19 more to go. Yeah, 19 more to go. So what I did was I used those strips. Some of the wording, like this is family. This is I love. I think I said I love this. This says spending time together. Here's a cluster that I found. I added some lace. I have a basket full of laces that I want to use. They're like little bits and, little snippets of different laces, and also laces that I pulled from these kits that I bought. And yeah, but I have a pretty good size basket full of it now. Oh my gosh. When you go through your stash, it's like, oh, I have that. Oh my gosh, why was this in here? Yeah, I had that. So I added some lace. Here is a blast from the past little crown bling. And then here's some little flat back gems. And then I used one of the clusters, like I said. And that is my card for this week. I really like how they turned out. I like how it's all inked on the edges on each one. So that really makes it look vintage. I love that style. So it looks vintage, but it's really not that vintagey. So that is my card for this week. Go check out Penny. I'll have her channel down below. Go check out all the other ladies that are participating in this open collaboration. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.